Let's continue with the necessary documents for the tier renewal process, introducing in this video the main characteristics necessary for your health insurance. To comply with the requirements of the Spanish authorities, you can use one of the following options. The first one is to use the CatSalud card to justify that you have medical insurance. However, the Spanish authorities will only accept it if it comes from a work contract of the student. On the other hand, the work contract must last for the time you are renewing the student's card. If this is not the case, for the remaining time, you must supplement it with another private insurance. The second option is to buy private health insurance. You must provide the Spanish authorities with the following documents to prove your coverage. The first is a letter or certificate from the insurance company certifying the period for which you are covered, as well as a proof of being up to date with the payments. You will have to hand in as well the general conditions of the insurance to demonstrate to the Spanish authorities that your insurance complies with a minimum coverage. And what are these coverages? Your private insurance must have the same coverage as the one of the national health system, with general and specialized assistance or access to surgical interventions and hospitalization. Likewise, only insurance policies with waiting periods of up to 6 months for fundamental services, such as hospitalizations, will be accepted. In addition, the insurance must include a clause specifying that this period will not apply in the event of an accident or life-threatening emergency. On the other hand, if any of the coverage has an economic limitation, it must be at least 100,000 euros, since the Spanish authorities will reject any lower amount. Similarly, those insurances with co-payments greater than 10 euros or those with reimbursement after the provision of services to the insured person will not be accepted. The Spanish authorities don't accept that the students must first pay for the services and send the receipts to the insurance company in order to get the reimbursement. Authorities will only accept insurances in which the student doesn't have to request reimbursement for medical service previously paid by him or her. So, taking into account all these minimum conditions, you have to look for the best insurance that suits your case. From the UPC, we can recommend you the company On Campus and the policies of On Campus Studies or On Campus Healthcare, because we already know that both are accepted by the Spanish authorities and have an affordable cost for most of the students. If you want more information about the requirements for medical insurance policies, you can check the website of this QR code. And if you still have any other questions, you can contact us by email to the International Mobility Office.